Welcome back in solving the new challenge problem. We are looking at a jaguar population in the Amazon. We are given an exponential function and we need to find how many years it will take for the population to become 4 times its initial size. Let's break this down step by step. First, let's identify the initial population. So to find the initial population, we have to make the time is equal to 0. And we will replace the t with 0 in the equation. Since any number to the power of 0 is 1, our starting population calculation shows the answer is 150. Next, our target is 4 times of the initial amount. So if 150 is the initial amount, then target will be 150 into 4, which is 600. Now we set our function equal to 600 and solve for t. Now to solve for t, we start by dividing both sides by 150. That leaves us with 2 to the power of t divided by 12 is equal to 4. Here is the key insight. We want to match the bases. Since 4 is same as 2 to the power of 2, we can rewrite the equation like this. Now that the bases match, we can simply set the exponents equal to each other. So t divided by 12 must equal 2. Now multiply both sides by 12, we find that t equals 24. Looking back at our choices, that means the population quadruples in every 24 years. So the correct answer is B.
If you like the video, follow and subscribe so you never miss the daily SAT challenge videos.